And I've been living fast life, but I see it in slow. Oh no, and you see my lifestyle, I got G's in the turbo. See many people there outside where they feed man's oboe. Oh no, and me I stand the defender like Joseph Yobo. But girl say she want Netflix and chill, so I chatty get even warning. If you fall in love, Kelly satin. You go to breakfast, I'm not capping. Can you see dripple, I'm not catchy. I'm not faking this, no fugazi. You see these feelings, I'm not catching. I'm a quest and feet, I just want it. Happiness. If I broke, now my business. I'ma show you go right. All I care for the night. Happiness. If I broke, now my business. I'ma show you go right. All I care for the night.
F-I-N-E-S-S-E, if it be the reason why your baba want to jealous me. If you want to take I'm serious, I do top speed. No fit to resonate, I'm on a different frequency. I don't think it's necessary. I be damned if there's somebody that could do like me. Man, I be like Musala coming off the right wing. I cut to your defender, you no need to tell me. I'm a horse, finesse. And you know, say me, I'm a snake. Now you can let I go carry go. If me, I got money past you. If you're not careful, finesse. You know, say me, I'm a snake. Now you can let I go carry go. If me, I got money past you. If you're not careful,
finesse. If I broke, now my business. I'ma show you go right. All I care for the night. Finesse. If I broke, now my business. I'ma show you go right. All I care for the night. If I broke, now my business. I'ma show you go right. All I care for the night. Happiness. If I broke, now my business. I'ma show you go right. All I care for the night. To the Makulayo. Emma fait jamais son. Emma fait jamais son.
We talking quality street music. I ain't gon' hold you. We the originators. Let's go. DJ Drama. I ain't gon' hold you. Feel like I got the world on my shoulder. Remind me of weighing up them boulders. Catch me in that all white thing, chillin' at the red light, top down, and that motherfucker gorgeous. What about that raw old AP with the black face? That motherfucker blacker than some Folgers. You rollin' with a real. When the bitches really love me out here like they love Soldier Slim and I know you. I ain't gon' hold you. Yeah, your boy a little bipolar. Half general, half soldier. Yeah, got a handful of hair. From the back while a real nigga blowing on some doja. Yeah, I'm gon' fold her. When I get done, I'm a motor. Same time, keeping my composure. If she keep making them faces, keep talking to me right in the morning, I'ma roll her back over. Playtime's over. Can't give you motherfuckers closure. Real niggas only know poses. If you really got it out the mud, like the rollie on your wrist, knock the motherfucking dirt up off your shoulders. I ain't gon' hold you. Nigga really got it with the soda. Really hit them Ninas in the motor. Yeah, nigga really made them deals on the first and the third, cause a nigga really try to hit his quota. What you know about that odor? Nigga came from the coast. Now I'm legal like Tony Mottola. Yeah, I really came through the hood in that all-white lamb, and the first one to do it like Soldier. I ain't gon' hold you. Nigga came through in all black, motherfucker thought I played for the Raiders. Talking to a street nigga, yeah, turn real estate mogul. Ain't no telling what I paid for the makers. All about that paper. Never been no hating in my nature. Don't make me Louis V suitcase. Make a nigga cry. Got so much money in the safe, you gon' think a motherfucker when it makes you. Can't let him break you. No, you can't let him break. Now you can't let these motherfuckers snake you. Nigga, when this rap shit done, get that Magic Johnson money like that nigga when he done with the Lakers. I ain't gon' hold you. Everything I did, I done told you. Everything I said, I done showed you. Did this one for my day one. Nigga say what you say, can't say a nigga ain't growed you. Name a nigga code. Matter of fact, name a nigga bold. Matter of fact, let me name a nigga for you. Talking about the B-I-G to the S-N-O, but you already know I done told you. I ain't gon' hold you. I ain't gon' hold y'all. We the greatest to ever do it. Big Snow. DJ Drama. And like that, we gone.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Hope everybody is having a blessed and beautiful morning. I hope you had an amazing weekend. It was Labor Day weekend. I know last week I kept saying I'll be back on Monday, but I forgot it was Labor Day weekend. But here we are. We're back. It's Tuesday. We started September last week, Thursday, I believe. We're getting on to the new month. We started with a loss, but we back and we ready to go. Of course, let me start by saying thank you.
Could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with me.
And I really appreciate it. I really do. I do. Ooh. All right. Give me a second. We got about 4 minutes until market opens. So, all right, let's get started. First and foremost, Forex Factory, of course. 9:45, ISM, 10 o'clock. We got ISM Services, PMI. I believe we looked at this last month as well. Above 50 indicates industry expansion. Below indicates contraction. This is a leading indicator to economic health. Businesses react quickly. All right, so we're going to see a big move around 10 o'clock. Let's just keep it at that. Keep it short and simple. All right. Let's get started. Let's set our zones. Support resistance, of course. We're doing NAS100 as we do every other day. So here we are with the weekly. So the weekly looks pretty doji. We do have a bit of a top wick. This is, though, resistance where we're at. So I could see us coming down today. But we'll have to see with volume and with the news. So. But no rush. So today we are bearish. And we have broke below to the left, the support. So I could see us continuing down to fill this range. Okay. So that's my bias. So the bias for the day is bearish. So we're going to be looking for sells. Okay, this is the 4 hour. Started at 6 o'clock. We're going to get a new 4 hour at 10. So we do want to see some closures below for sells. Okay. That would be great. Let's keep going. 1 hour. Everything's been bearish. We've been dropping for the better part the past few hours. Let's go to 30. 30's been super bearish as well. Breaking this support here. All right. Should be good. Should be good for sales today, guys. Should be amazing for sales. Market's about to open in 10 seconds. Let's see what happens. Let's look at the 15. Here we go. We've got volume. Volume should push us down. probably not going to look for an entry until 10 o'clock when we can see what news is going to do for us. So there's that. But we will see. We're going to be patient. Whoa, look at that. I thought we were going to keep pushing down. Look at that push up. Let's look at the 1 hour real quick. So we created a bottom wick. Let's see. The daily turned back bullish. Or was that just a top wick we created? Got a lot of range if we do push down, so. Yep. Should get this push. Yeah, there we go. Let's take a look at the daily. Because if the daily flips bearish, yeah, we should come down and fill all this. Let's set our targets. Okay. Yeah, I think this is good. Got it. All right. So we're looking for sells. These are our targets. Now all we need is a good entry. Okay? So that's all we're waiting for. And of course, keep in mind, with news, we can flip bullish. News could be good, and then market flips bullish. So we're not married to sells. Just because our bias is sells doesn't mean we're counting out the fact that we could still look for buys. We got 10 minutes. 10 minutes, we'll get a new 15-minute candle. We will be set. I doubt I'll look for an entry at 9:45, but it'll be a good indicator on whether our sells are still valid, that last 15-minute candle. Oh, shoot. I did figure out this new tool. Dang, I can't. Try to figure this out. Word, this is what we want to see. As ugly as this looks, this is what we're looking for. I'm gonna work on this. Take some practice. All right. Ooh. Look at the 5 minute real quick. 5 minutes. Flipping bearish. I would, because we're so bearish, I'm not going to look for sells, but if, anybody out there did want to look for sells, I would say this isn't the best area to really enter because of all this support to the left. But thing is, our bias still does remain. Our bias still does remain bearish. If you want to be a big dog, want to get in early, it's up to you. See, we're starting to reject the zone a little bit. But it's going to be interesting with the last 15-minute candle. What I would really want to see this last 15-minute candle to push down, close below, and then that 10 o'clock candle, we'd be able to enter, assuming we continue bearish. So just gotta wait and see. Got about 4 more minutes. 4 minutes, we're gonna get a new 15-minute candle. Let's see what happens. But give me 1 second. I will be right back. We are back. I gotta try to, let me see about this. Oh, okay. Sorry about that. I don't know what that was. Yo, what up, Cole? What up? From now on, this is gonna be I really need to start working out. I keep telling myself I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna start doing it. I missed that go move yesterday on the hour chart. Honestly, you shouldn't have really traded yesterday. Yesterday wasn't a good day. It was a holiday. There wasn't much volume. I didn't really look at the charts at all yesterday, honestly. So, yeah. All right, about to get a new 15-minute candle. Let's see if this 15-minute candle could push us below. thought there wasn't any volume, but it was a 25-point move. Good shit. I'm not saying that you couldn't have traded yesterday, but it's just one of those days that it's, that's kind of just stay away from holidays like that. Don't get me wrong, because I'm not saying you can't trade it. You can, but it's just, I'd rather wait for the, days like today, where we have a lot of range, we got volume. If we could get down here, this would be great. But let's see. We got news at 10. So, but also too, that's why I keep repeating, we're not married to sales just yet. We have the 4 hour pushing down, but you peep how every time a 4 hour close in the past few days, we close right here at this support. So that's us closing below will be a good indicator that we're going to continue bearish. But if we close right at this support, the new 4 hour candle could create a bottom wick and then push back up and reject this support zone. So again, I'm not married to sells, but that is my bias. And we're waiting for a closure below. This is good so far, guys. This is very good for us. Let's take a look real quick. What are they? I want to see what they're projecting for the numbers. Previous 56.7, forecast 55.4. Above 50 is good. So I mean, if we're projecting 54, 55. I'm assuming that means we'll turn bullish. But again, I'm not 100% sure. So we're just going to wait. Wait for a closure. Then we'll see what happens. Got about 6 more minutes. 6 minutes. Get a new 4 hour candle. Hopefully, we can close the way we need it to. I'm assuming this last 10 minutes we're probably going to pull back. You know. But see. So first target was slapped. Damn near, pretty much. So at least the analysis was correct, although we didn't really get an entry yet. But if anybody wanted to get in, I put these targets in from a while ago, so could have been up. It's all good though. Gonna wait 8 more minutes. Then we'll look for an entry. If we were to close right here, this would be perfect. Perfect for sells to keep pushing down. We've got to wait. We got to wait. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at some other charts. See what gold's doing. Gold is at support as well. $17.09. See Bitcoin. Remember, we've been keeping an eye on Bitcoin. We were in the rising flag, came down. Another rising flag came down. What looked to be another rising flag, but also could have been an inverse head and shoulders, but I was wrong about that. But I do think I'm right that we're still going to come down to about 14,000. I just like talking about Bitcoin because just to let you guys know, I'm waiting for that pullback. I'm waiting for it to come down to about 14, 13. That's when I'm going to enter in a buy position. Just so you guys know. Because from 12, 13, 14, that's when we're most likely going to have a big jump to 100K. So just look out for that. Look out for that. GBP, Euro USD's dropping. ETH's dropping. Everything's dropping. Oil's coming down. The Dow is coming down. All right. As are we. Flying to those zones. It's the last 5 minutes of the hourly. This is great. This is great. Although we're smacking the zones pretty quickly, we haven't reached the overall target. So let's just wait till 10 for our entry. have to switch the targets around. Let's see. Okay. All right. I'm going to leave this here just in case we get an entry. Excuse me. Probably gonna get a pullback. Hopefully it doesn't pull back above 12,072, but a pullback would be good. Could get a pullback. Hopefully 10 o'clock candle opens up with the top wick, and we'll have sell stops placed at the bottom of that. Hey, what up, my boy? Yeah, we get money today. We are getting money today. Got one more minute. It's the last minute. This is good. We're closing below all support. This is a little bit of support here to the left, but we pretty much broke overall support. So let's see if we can get some sells. Let's see. This is a good pullback. Got about 15 seconds left. All right, this is good. This is good. This is perfect. All right, this is a perfect close right here. There we go. All right, just come up, create a top wick. We need a top wick, guys. Need a top wick. And if they are placed, they'll be at the break of the lows, 12.012, or let's say 12.013. But we still need a top wick. Nothing is placed yet. We still need a top wick. Let's just wait. Let's actually take a look at news. What happened? So numbers are very good. 56.9, forecast was 55.4, and previous was 56.7. So numbers were good. Now let's see how the market reacts. We might even wait till 10:15, honestly. At this point now, we're pretty much going to. We're breaking the lows. We didn't get a top wick, so there's that. That's a dub. So guys, we're taking no trade just yet. Just so you know, we did not miss the trade, okay? We did not miss a trade. If we don't see the play how we want to see it, then that's not our trade. I prefer to take a trade with the top wick. And again, this is not to say you can't get in. Anybody could get in. I still put the analysis here, still put the breakdown. You can look for your own entries. But for me personally, to look for a trade on stream, I like to see a wick first. So, you know, it is what it is. Such is life. Such is life. We still got some range to hit. So far, we hit the first two targets. Pretty sure we're going to keep going down at this point. We're gonna wait. We got about 10 more minutes. We're gonna wait till 10:15. We'll look for an entry. We still have a lot of range to the left to fill. We still have all these targets to reach. So no rush. We just need a good entry, guys. A good entry. If you feel like you can't wait, you just want to jump in, do your thing, man. Do your thing. Don't wait for me. You can absolutely get in the trade. Yo, my Belize. What up, what up? Copy. Give me a second, brother. Give me a second. Right, link sent, my boy. Link is sent. Venus. I like this song, man. We're gonna play this song real quick. It's my jam right now. Gonna play my
And I've been living fast life, but I see it in slow. Oh no, and you see my lifestyle, I got G's in the turbo. See many people there outside where they feed man's oboe. Oh no, and me I stand the defender like Joseph Yobo. But girl say she want Netflix and chill. So I chatty get even warning. If you fall in love, girl is satin. You go to breakfast, I'm not capping. Can you see dripple, I'm not catchy. I'm not faking this, no fugazi. You see these feelings, I'm not catching. I'm a quest and feet, I just want the happiness. If I broke, now my business. I'ma show you, you go right. All I care for the night. Happiness. If I broke, now my business. I'ma show you, you go right. All I care for the night.
FNESSC, if it be the reason why your baba want to jealous me. If you want to take I'm serious, I do top speed. No fit to rest.
Probably let him walk in like that.
Yo, Sid, if you want to pull up to the link, I'll send you the link. What's good, my boy?
Sit online too. Yo, tag, yo. You about to pull up in a minute? Nigga, the screen gonna be cluttered with mad niggas. You're not gonna be able to trade with 3 niggas up there. He gonna play with me later.
Nah. That's how it's supposed to be, though. I want it to be like 30% trading and the rest, talking about Andrew Tate.
Andrew Tate. I sent the link to your What's good, my boy?
That's good. Yo. You know what Andrew Tate is, right?
Andrew Tate is well, who's Andrew Tate? He's going from
the dude, he's been going viral.
Nah, bro. He might even go. What I do is I open it and then I airdrop it to my laptop. And I open it from my laptop. But you can probably open it from your phone too. Yo, I don't know who Andrew Tate is, bro. I've been in Colombia, bro. What you mean, bro? It's not like anything to do with Colombia. I don't really care about that shit,
You never seen this dude before?
In Colombia, bro? I don't know. Is that the nigga? Nah, what he did? He's some jailbird nigga?
He replaced Kevin Samuels type shit. He's just been wilding. He got banned on Facebook. He got banned on Instagram. He got banned on YouTube. They banned him on everything.
Nah, I don't know. I don't really care about niggas like that, bro. I haven't seen it because I'm in Colombia, bro. Like, I be outside. Like, I be at the beach. I be doing my shit that matters. I don't know, bro.
Nah, please.
Any just from who? Here. Chill took one of my shit home the other day. I ain't staying up enough. I'm about to go to the crib anyway. He said, yo, I got a syrup. Yo, come to your crib. He doesn't make a pancake to French toast all the time.
Send the link.
Oh, shit, about to pull up? I'll send the link. You don't got to do nothing, my boy.
Oh, you about to send it?
I just sent it to him just now. He got it already.
All right.
I sent it to him on Instagram. He gonna see it if you want on Instagram. I'm not gonna hold you. Cat's about to pull up. The corner I'm at right now is so fire, bro. Yeah. Everybody pulling up, my boy.
Hold on, where the volume at?
If women are the most precious things on the planet, they create life. They should be protected. They should be provided for. I would never let a woman pay for a bill. I would never let a woman, if someone touched any of my women, I would stand up against 10 men by myself and risk my life to protect her. I believe that women are beautiful creatures. I just don't think that they're as emotionally calm as men in stressful situations. I don't think they can fight like a man can. And for the same reason, I would never drop my children in an all-male nursery. I think that's strange and weird. I would only drop them in an all-female nursery. Women do certain things and men do certain things. And we live in a world now where the whole idea of the roles has been conflated to the fact where if I come along and say women are better with children and men are better at fighting, that I'm somehow fucking sexist when it's clearly true. There's nothing wrong with stating the facts. It's the truth. I absolutely not really love women.
He basically saying shit like that, and they canceled him for it.
I didn't even hear what he said. Like, I'm listening. Yeah. I didn't hear what the fuck he said. I'm listening to him, but I didn't hear what he said. What he said, bro? Give me I just got a breakdown. What the fuck he just said? I don't even know.
He basically said men and women aren't the same. Like I
Wait,
wouldn't drop
Cole's
my
in
kid
Colombia?
off.
What part of Colombia are you in, Cole? Cole in Colombia.
Word?
Cole just there. Read the screen.
Word?
Cole
Cole in Colombia. Yo, y'all got a link,
I'm
man.
in Colombia, bro.
Y'all got a link.
Boy.
That would be
I'm in
fire.
Cartagena. I'm in Cartagena, boy. Where you at? What part you in?
Man, everybody doing the same thing, man.
We saw another one.
Great minds think alike.
I mean, bro.
All right, we're going to get a good entry, though. We're going to get a good entry right here. I'm sure of it. Whoa, no, that was wrong. We're going to get a good entry. Hopefully, we can get a top wick. We'll be straight. Damn. I'm going to say the overall stop loss is going to be 30 points, regardless of the top wick we get, because we're going to get a lot of volume to keep pushing us down. So just be ready. Be ready. Nah, every day with you. No matter what this man says, he's like, yo, man, I'm in Colombia.
Nah, every day. Oh, I'm fucking crying.
He said, yo, I'm in Colombia. I don't know what's going on in the world, bro. I'm in Colombia.
I'm in Colombia, bro. Every day's the same shit. I don't know what's been like a month. Like, I don't know what's going on in the world, bro. Dead ass. You see the crib, son. This crib is OD, son.
Nice. That's nice.
The view is
let's make that full screen, man. Let the people see. Let the people see how we living out here, man.
I ain't just living type.
We about to get an entry though. Relax.
Get an entry.
Take a minute. Let's get this entry real quick. Let's see what can happen.
Get the entry.
All right. We got 30 seconds. Look at the views, man. Look at the views over here. This is nice. Look like you getting big too. You been lifting?
Oh, I haven't been lifting, bro. I'm getting a little fat. After we get the stream, I'm gonna do a little workout with the band. And I'm gonna try to make a quick little video.
Yo, let's do it on stream. Let's go on stream. I said the magic number's 100. You see the 100 there?
I see the 100. As soon as I got on the screen, I said, okay, he's doing 100 push-ups today. He's decent.
We going for 100 today. Doing 100.
I'm with the 100. We can do 100.
We want a top wick. Guys. We want a top wick.
See? Please give me a top wick.
All right, we're gonna have sell stops placed at the break of the low. That is 12.949. Damn it. It's moving too fast. Alright, let's say
I have another one.
11.947. Alright. Alright. So far we're not activated yet, but we do have sell stops placed. All right, now we're activated, guys. Stop loss for 20 points, 12.947, 12.967 will be our stop loss. At 10 points, we're gonna take partials and move stop loss to break even. Yo.
Good. Yeah, I
How do
get
we
it.
fix this? Nah, this nigga is different. This nigga is different.
Nah, Sid is different.
Sid is different. This man got me dead. Yo, that's funny.
Wow. I'm in Colombia too.
I'm in Colombia too.
Oh, how do I face this screen?
Yo, did I really quick up today?
Huh?
I'm at live on the screen.
All right, we about to hit.
The lighting behind us.
It's the lighting.
All right,
it's the
there we go. Who stop loss to break even, y'all? That's a W in the books. Good shit.
My arm.
Good shit.
Making like 2,000 a minute.
Hopefully we can get runners.
Happiness.
Damn,
that's my jam.
Cole Sylvester.
Yo.
That's Cole?
Nah, Cole just be watching and talking. You be chatting.
Oh.
Yeah, that's beautiful for real though. He in Colombia too. Nah, he was.
My dad was in Colombia.
What's up to 100 push-ups right now?
What's up with the? All right, we could do that. All right, we out. Break even slap. We got a W for the day.
You too, Cole. 100 push-ups right now.
We got 100 push-ups.
You too, Sid. 100 push-ups.
I can't do push-ups, my boy.
Oh my God, you can't do 100 squats. Then do something. You always say what you can't do. What can you do?
I could get money. That's what I'm supposed to do. Get money.
Go.
Yeah, get money or look funny. Get money or look funny.
Yes, sir.
Nah, the background is M. The background, he got the same background as you though.
He got the same background as me. Nigga took a picture and then put it as his background and put it by.
Yo, what's good, Dom?
What is that background? Nah, hold on. With that background, I can see him right here. Look, bro. Look, he right here. You can see him right here. Look.
There you go.
Yo, fucking.
Nah, this nigga got views. He got views too. All right, let's get it. We're going to break this up in thirds. In thirds, we're going to do 33, 33, and then 33. Or 33, 33, and then 34.
Happiness.
We with it? We down?
30,
so we're going to do 33 push-ups, 33 curls, and then 33 dips. All right. All right, let's get it. We're gonna play some tunes. Oh shit! Why is my screen bugging?
There's an angle right here, my boy.
Yeah, that's a good angle. All right, we got 10 minutes until we look for another entry, so we can let's get some money. Let's get some money.
We're waiting for this. Yeah, put it on. Okay, you gonna do it like that? I got you. Yeah. Background is crazy, nigga. This shit right. This shit.
33 push-ups, 33 curls. Let's get it.
Come on, the world sitting right now.
33 push-ups, 33.
And I've been living fast life, but I see it in slow. Oh no, and you see my lifestyle, I got G's in the double. See many people there outside where they feed man's oboe. Oh no, and me I stand the defender like Joseph Yobo. My girl say she want Netflix and chill, so I chatty get even warning. If you fall in love, Kelly satin. You go to breakfast, I'm not capping. Can you see dripple, I'm not catching. I'm not faking this, no fugazi. You see these feelings, I'm not catching. I'm on quest and feet, I just want it. Happiness. If I broke, now my business. I'ma show you can right. All I care for the night. Happiness. I broke, now my business. All I shall know you go right to. All I care for the night.
FNESSC, if it be the reason why your baba want to jealous me. If you want to take I'm serious, I do top speed. No fit to resonate, I'm on a different frequency. I don't think it's necessary. I'll be done with there's somebody that could do like me. Man, I be like Musala coming off the right wing. I cut to your defender, you no need to tell me. I'm a horse, finesse. And you know, say me, I'm a snap. Now you I go carry go. If me, I got money past you. If you're not careful, finesse. You know, say me, I'm a snap. Now you I go carry go. If me, I got money past you. If you're not careful,
Finesse. If I broke, now my business.
if I got money past you. If you're not careful,
Finesse. If I broke, now my business. I'ma show you you go right. All I care for the night. Finesse. If I broke, now my business. All I show you you go right. All I care for the night. Finesse. If I broke, now my business. I'ma show you you go right. All I care for the night. Finesse. If I broke, now my business. All I show you you go right. All I care for the night. To the macula yo. Ẹ má fẹjọ́ mi sùn wọ́n. Ẹ má fẹjọ́ mi sùn wọ́n.
Do though, boy.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. This what y'all been waiting for? Snowman, we back at it. We talking quality street music. I ain't gonna hold you. We the originators. Let's go. DJ Drama. I ain't gonna hold you. Feel like I got the world on my shoulder. Remind me of weighing up them boulders. Catch me in that all white thing, chilling at the red light, top down, and that motherfucker gorgeous. What about that raw old AP with the black face? Shit, that motherfucker blacker than some Folgers. You rollin' with a real. When the bitches really love me out here like they love Soldier Slim and I know you. I ain't gonna hold you. Yeah, your boy a little bipolar. Half general, half soldier. Yeah, got a handful of hair while I hit it from the back while a real nigga blowing on some doja. Then I'm gon' fold her. When I get done, I'm a motor. Same time, keeping my composure. If she keep making them faces, keep talking to me right in the morning, I'ma roll her back over. Playtime's over. Can't give you motherfuckers closure. Real niggas only know posers. If you really got it out the mud like the rollie on your wrist, knock the motherfucking dirt up off your shoulders. I ain't gon' hold you. Nigga really got it with the soda. Really hit them Ninas in the motor. Yeah, nigga really made them deals on the first and the third, cause a nigga really try to hit his quota. What you know about that odor? Yeah, nigga came from the coast. Now I'm legal like Tony Mottola. Yeah, I really came through the hood in that all white lamb and the first one to do it like Soldier. I ain't gon' hold you. Nigga came through in all black, motherfucker thought I played for the Raiders. Talking to a street nigga, yeah, turn real estate mogul. Ain't no telling what I paid for the makers. All about that paper. Never been no hating in my nature. Don't make me Louis V suitcase. Make a nigga cry. Got so much money in the safe. You gon' think a motherfucker when it makes you. Can't let him break you. No, you can't let him break. Now you can't let these motherfuckers snake you. Nigga, when this rap shit done, get that Magic Johnson money like that nigga when he done with the Lakers. I ain't gon' hold you. Everything I did, I done told you. Everything I said, I done showed you. Did this one for my day one. Nigga say what you say, can't say a nigga ain't growed you. Name a nigga code. Matter of fact, name a nigga vote. Matter of fact, let me name a nigga vote. Talking about the B-I-G to the S-N-O, but you already know I done told you.
I'm looking at something right now. I might get a 3-minute snipe right now. How to get in and out of this GU shit. I might have missed my opportunity, my window.
You don't be fucking with the what's that shit called? I forgot.
Indices?
Yeah.
No, I'm not an indices. I mean, I'm not opposed to it, but I just don't trade indices.
He said fucking with what?
Nah, he asked me if I trade indices, and I said
And not the indices. Remember the what's that shit? What's the fast trade you used to be doing? The shit you trade like in 3 minutes, 1 minute.
The HFX shit. I mean, it's cool. It's cool. HFX? Nah, not really. Cause I just don't like some days the brokers, the payouts be whack. Like you get 70%, 80% one day, and the next day that same pay is 80%. So that's just not consistent for me. So I just like trading regular Forex because I get higher Risk to reward. So if I lose a trade and I catch a nice 1 to 4, nigga, I already up 3 times. Like, you feel me? I get back what I lost plus 3 times that. So that's just me. You feel me? But it's cool. Like, if you like fast shit, like that shit is perfect for somebody. But for me, I'm just trying to, like, you know what I'm saying? I like regular Forex, to be honest.
Nothing wrong with that.
Nothing wrong with that.
I think I'm about to snipe this 15 minutes. I think I missed my entry and I don't want to chase it. If it returns to this, I'm about to snipe this.
Sick got the ceiling and floor windows, though. That's OD. And he got a tattoo.
Yeah.
He got a tattoo. That's OD. How you get a tattoo, Sid?
Shout out to Colombia, bro.
Shout out.
Shit. My shit is peeling right now.
Bro, I'm gonna throw shit out, man. I'm rolling it. You don't want it. Leave it and I'll give it to my mom, somebody.
My shit is dead ass peeling.
You roll your stuff. You gotta roll it. Just fold it and roll it. Fold it one time and roll it like a blunt. You roll
keep
it.
Using that A&D on that shit.
Yeah, that's why my shit look mad shiny right now. That's all I'm using. But a lot of
retention, gang.
Yo,
you don't know nothing about that. You heard?
I know
about that.
That's what we out here practicing.
Yeah.
What this?
In about 2 minutes, a little less than 2 minutes, I'm gonna look for an entry.
I'm not even using shit. Shit like this in case I still, you know what I'm saying? Right, like case solution.
I hate this shit.
So crazy. Just use that real quick with this. Put this with her.
I should have sniped this entry, bro. I would have been in the bro. That shit would have been instant profit, nigga. This shit happened just literally 15 minutes ago. I just missed this entry, bro. I would have been 40 pips in profit already. Shit. And then the
it's all
shit,
good, bro. You'll find another entry.
I'm not worried about.
What chart you trading?
I'm on GU right now. I would have had a 17 pip stop for 153 pip TP. So I would have traded to the high. I would have got basically a 1 to 6 or 1 to 7, almost 1 to 7.
I feel you.
It would have been
about 15 seconds. I'm gonna try to look for one more entry. Let's see what we could do.
It may come back down here. I'm hoping that it just come back down here real quick for a brother and then take off. But if it take off, it is what it is.
Can we get a top wick?
It's already 40 pips in profit, my nigga. Oh. Get a fib. Sniper. Venus. What was that? My 61A. I could snipe a little entry. You know, I'm about to snipe something. 5 minutes. Let's see how this goes. I missed my 88. I did not miss. So
Push-ups really did something to me, man. Damn.
You got that pump? You got that pump right now?
OD.
OD got the pump right now, bro. My shit. I don't hold you. I've been doing straight resistance band workout for the past like week and a half now.
That shit feels different, right?
OD feels different, bro.
That's good. No entries, y'all. No entries. We didn't get any top wick. We're not getting any top wicks today.
Shit just like it's fucking dropping, nigga.
Yeah. That's it. That shit is just dropping.
Well, I might have slapped some. I might be slapping something right now on a 5-minute chart on GU though.
GU? Let's take a look.
19 pips stop. 19 pips. It's a nice 1 to 5 on my fib, but like I said, I missed the 88% my discount price. So
you looking for a sell?
I'm looking for a buy into a sell because I have a long a sell. Like I'm looking for GU to buy up a little bit, and then go into my sell that I got marked up.
Okay.
We're gonna see.
Looks good. Looks good.
Because it's Tuesday, I'm just looking forward to create the lows of the highs of the week. I'm not looking forward to do the initial move. That's Wednesday and Thursday.
Okay.
Want me to show you what I'm looking at?
I literally just had the chart open. You ain't see?
Nah, I know, but I'm saying like my markup. What
Oh
I'm
yeah,
seeing.
yeah. Can you show it? Are you able to?
I could show it on Zoom. Hold on, let me just put my thing in real quick. I mean, I'm just risking 2% on this. I'm not going too crazy. What's the entry? 20.
You put any trades in today?
Nah, this should be my first trade for the day.
Okay.
Kind of fake missed I'm like 5 pips late, but I'll be all right. It's not a long-term trade. It's just I'm just buying to the highs to take out the highs. I'm not buying it. I'm not in it for long-term buy. Just trying to get the
copy.
Well, give me 1 second. I'm just putting my stop loss in. I can put the TP in.
So you put in a buy.
You on Zoom? Or you got the screen? Oh yeah, I can't share the screen. You gotta let me be able. You gotta allow me to be able to share the screen on Zoom.
You gotta go to settings, some shit. Oh, my stomach is.
Go to more. Go to more. Yeah, allow all participants.
Yeah, I think you should be able to do it now. Hey yo. Can you do it, or do I have to like? How do I?
No, you don't. I got it.
You got it.
Yeah, you can see.
Yeah, there we go.
So,
all right, y'all see this? We got a GBP USD buy.
Yeah, so I mean I miss damn. So I trade like basically like smart money type. A lot of people know that's like institutional, really, whatever you want to call it. Let me see. I had saw on like a lower time frame, so you see this like this candle right here. That's how you know like banks is pumping money. So I saw sell a buy, but I went down, scaled down into a lower time frame. So like when I'm day trading in the morning, I kind of go down to lower time frames. I like this candle right here, the sell candle, because it's sold to push up. You see this buy created these highs right here. So I targeted this candle, and then I went down into, because like I told you, I have a sell like where I predict that price is going to come up at some point, because the DXY been buying for a very long time. But we'll just see. Like I said, this is a trade that I only really put in like a small amount of bread into. I didn't go crazy because it is Tuesday. I don't really trade on Tuesdays, but I'm basically assuming that it's going to come up to where I need it to do. Then all I'm doing is I scale down, try to see if I get like a better institutional candle, and then I use fibs. So I like the 88 for me. Like you see, they went to the 88 right here. That's premium price for me. If I would have gotten down there, this would have been like a 7 pip stop to just would have been popped straight into profit. But my other two areas that I like target is like the 71 and the 61. The 61 is like I personally don't really go in on the 61. I like the 71, and then the 78%. 78 is like my stop loss. So I usually put it behind like 10 pips behind the 78. And then right now I'm in a little bit of drawdown, as you can see, but I don't know. I'm predicting that, you know what I'm saying, that this might go clear these highs right here. Because to me, it looks like there's money up here that they have. So like all of this is money right here. Like to me, you see all these wicks. If I'm a bank, I'm gonna take all that bread. Like, but like I said, I don't. It's Monday and it's fresh off a holiday. So,
Tuesday.
I mean, it's Tuesday, but it was a holiday yesterday, so the market didn't really have a lot of fluctuation in the market. So we're gonna see. Let me see something real quick. Hold on. Sometimes I just kind of just know what I'm looking for. Let me see something.
Eventually, you kind of get to that point when you see the charts every single day. It's almost like, you see the same shit over and over and over.
So one of the ways I trade too is like this is the 15-minute. I learned from my John Dollery. I don't know if anybody knows who John Dollery is, but he's nasty on the charts. I learned from. So one of the things like that I learned a lot from him is it doesn't happen all the time, but you could see like a lot of the time how price really moves. So like from the Australian session, as y'all know, a lot of consolidation builds up in the Australian session. Nothing really happens a lot in Australian session unless it's like a lot of news. I typically wait till after Monday to look, but like you start at the 18 and then the reset is like 1 in the morning, sort of 1 o'clock. So it creates the lows, a low and a high. So I usually draw a box from there, and you see like it's just all accumulation. So this is just orders being built up, buyers and sellers and stuff like that. So how I do it is I put money right here. So that's money that needs to be snatched, right? So look, they snatched the money up here. So that's the opposite of the direction that I wanted to go. Like it snatched the money here, so I have money down here. So my thing is just really gonna just snatch all this money up here, and then hopefully, like I said, make its way all the way up here, which I wanted to do. Like I said, the market doesn't do what you want it to do. The market does what it wants to do. I'm predicting that GU might potentially just make its way up here eventually, but like we don't know. News is news. This is definitely just a quick trade. Like I said, even if I get it to come back up to these highs, that's good. Right now, I don't really see anywhere else that I would want to sell. Like for me personally, my eyes, I don't see anywhere that I'm gonna sell just yet. But my clear indication of selling is all the way up here. But everybody has their own bias of what they see. But for me, I'm patiently waiting for price to just say, hey, fuck it, let's come back up here. Because, the DXY, if you look at the DXY, right, that shit been buying for a very long time. But you never know. See, it closes this gap right here from the weekend. But hey, who's to say that the DXY won't go crazy and tank a little bit? Because honestly, for my move to go the way I wanted to go, that I was predicting either it's going to do this, as you know, break out, retest, and it could shoot. Yeah, it could shoot, or it could come back down here, retest these highs, and then go back up. But we got to see what the market does. You never know what it's going to do. So that's just me, though. I just like GU a lot. So I've been trading it for a little minute now. So it's been blessing me. As y'all can see, I have a lot of markups with it. It smacked a lot of my TPs. I just keep all of them for documentation. So like I know, which one I lost, why I lost, stuff like that. But I don't know. GU's my favorite pair. So we just gonna see. Like Tuesday, I trade very light because Monday is no real movement in the market. Some people like Monday, some people don't. Like Tuesdays, I look for the lower. Tuesdays generally, the way I trade, give you like the lower to high of the week, which gives you like targets. And then Wednesday, Thursday, I'm looking for execution of where I would like the market to go so I can make money. And if it doesn't typically do that, then Friday typically is what it does. And then typically on Fridays, what it does is do give you about 20. So like, let's just say it's selling 20% or whatever the move was for the whole week, it'll go in the opposite direction. So if it was selling, it'll buy 20%. Like, but that's just how I learned how to trade. Everybody's analysis on how they trade is a lot different though. So, but for me, that's what I was really looking at. GU is really the only pair that I'm like, for me, really looking at right now. Mm-hmm.
I definitely feel you. It makes sense. How long would you say you're usually in a trade?
It depends, because on a lower time frame, you're getting a sniper entry. Like, I didn't hit TPs in 5, 10, 15 minutes, but like the more higher time frames, and I say I scale it, it could just depend. Like, I'll set limits. I don't really, for me personally, I'll set a limit. Like, my limit is already set on my MT4 for this one. I'll set limits, I get an alert, and I'm in the trade. Sometimes it could be, I'm in the trade for 2, 3 days, depending on like, the time frame I really hit it from. But like, if I'm like day trading, like around this time, I done been in trades 5, 10, 15 minutes. If I snipe it right, shit like that. Like, it just depends. Like, I'm a very patient trader, so I don't care about how long it takes. I just need that risk to reward. Like, I focus heavily on that.
So your risk to reward is usually what?
So if I'm gonna get into a trade, it has to be at least a 1 to 2 or 1 to 3 or better. Like, it can't be nothing less. If I can't make double or triple what I'm risking, it doesn't make sense for me to get in a trade. That's just my personal analysis for it.
Okay. Give me 1 second, man.
Yeah. And then right here, I don't know. Yo, Chris, you still here? Slow.
back, and I'm sorry about that. Sheesh. I feel crazy. I felt mad nauseous. I just felt mad nauseous just now. I had to turn the AC on. Took my shirt off. I don't know what the fuck just happened. Just had like a hot flash. Shit felt crazy, man. Sorry about that. My boy, Steven, what's good? I just sent the link back out. If the homeboys want to pull back up, we could probably look for another trade. Maybe even go to 11:30 today. You know? I see no reason why not. Yo, that's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. Alright. Let's see at 11 o'clock. Maybe 11 we can maybe find another entry. We got one W for the day. If anybody was here for that. Alright. What up, y'all? What up? Hold on, let me close my door. That's good. That's good. Shout out to you, Steven. Did you trade yesterday? Some people were trying to trade yesterday. I was seeing. I stayed away from the charts yesterday. Yeah, of course. Of course. Yeah, I shouldn't even ask that stupid question. Looks like came down, created a bottom wick, and just rejected this whole area. Sheesh, man. I haven't felt that nauseous in a while, man. That was crazy. Crazy. I got a NAS trade yesterday at 9 p.m. Weirdly, I don't know why it was moving, but yeah. That's I believe that's around the Australian session. So I think I'm done for the day. Yeah. That's why that's why I try to really stick to the morning from like 8 o'clock to like 11:30, and then I'm disciplined to. That's the only time I'm really 100% focused on the charts. The rest of the day, I just, I've tried to find other things to do. Because I know there's volume between 8 and 11. I know we'll get a direction, most likely. So, it's just 8 and 11. Try to stick to those hours. And then when it gets to like 9 p.m. around that time, 8 p.m., I'll like take a look, but I don't really intend on trading around that time. All right, if somebody did want to get in, I would suggest, I'm not taking any trades anymore. I'm done for the day. We did get 1W. Since we did reject this area, I'm assuming we're just going to keep pushing back up to stay in this range here. So I would say if you wanted to have a first target, it would be this high right here. I would have buy stops placed at the break of the high. We're getting the bottom wick created. So that's just my suggestion. Just calling it out. It's up to you guys if you want to take it. But that's what I'm seeing. I'm seeing a buy so far. We're changing the bias to bullish. No longer is it bearish. I'm going to take a trade in my paper. I took a buy on Nyse. Now I put the stop loss behind the 5-minute candle. TP is 12,157. 12,1. Exactly. We had the same mindset. We had the same exact mindset, bro. I think that's a good idea. But you did a stop loss on the 5-minute. That's not bad. It's not bad. That is not bad. I would have. Yeah. For a fact. But again, I'm not in it. Not on stream at least. I might take the trade myself when I get off. But yeah, we took 1W today. Let's give everybody who took that trade a round of applause. Yeah. I feel you. Yeah, I'm not going to lie. I had a feeling it was going to get stopped out. That 5-minute. 5-minute was too small of a stop loss. It's just a bit too small of a stop loss. But I do still think it's valid, though, for sure. 1 hour. That's why a lot of times it's good to do break of the highs, right? Like if you have a buy stop right here, let's say 12. Let's say you have a buy stop at 12,100. You would get the volume with the flip of the candle, and it'll push you up. Like that would be the best bet, right? But it's up to whoever. All right, about to call it a day. I hope everybody stays blessed. Hope everyone has a beautiful day. We got a W. It's a good way to start the week. Nobody overtrade. Mr. Steven, do not overtrade. All right? We got a W for the day. You got stopped out on one. Just call it a day. We'll be back again tomorrow. Hopefully Steven and Chris pull back up. Yo, I felt nauseous. I really wanted to do the 100 push-ups, 100 sit-ups, and all that good stuff, but yeah, just not today. Today was not the day. I don't know what the fuck happened. I literally felt like I was gonna throw up, man. I hate that feeling. But anywho, y'all give me an outro song. Throw some at me. Throw some songs at me. Give me an outro song. Let's get it. Let's get it. I know I got a couple of you guys in here. Let's get a good song. Whoever's first. Whoever gives me a song first is the one I'm choosing. Any takers? Any takers? Do you want me to just pick a song myself? All right. Guess so. Play. Okay. I got a song. Q-U-E-D-O. I got a song. All right. So tomorrow, hopefully, we'll have a better day. I mean, it can't be a better day. We took a W, so, you know, that's clutch. But hopefully tomorrow, I'll get through the push-ups, not be a little bitch. But yeah, y'all stay blessed. And again, do not overtrade. All right. See y'all tomorrow. Peace.
Llega al club con el combo, rápido la vi lejos. Se pintaban los labios y la copa como espejo. Se acercó poco a poco y yo queriendo que me baile. Luego me dijo, vamos que te enseño buenos aires. Y nos fuimos en una, empezamos a la 1. Y con la nota rápido nos dieron las 3. Perreamos toda la noche y nos dormimos a las 10. Ando rezando la Dios para repetirlo otra vez. Nos fuimos en una, empezamos a la 1. Y con la nota rápido nos dieron las 3. Perreamos toda la noche y nos dormimos a las 10. Ando rezando la Dios para repetirlo otra vez. Dime, beba, fecha y ahorita paso a buscar. Yo le llego donde los demás, tú sabes que no le llegan. Ruido de botellas de champán, de las copas al brindar, pero solo escucho como late mi corazón cuando ve ese cuerpo escaparate. El traje combina con la Mercedes Granate, no hay otro por más que ellos traten. Quédate, que la noche sin ti duelen. Tengo en la mente la pose y todos los gemidos. Que ya no quiero nada que no sea contigo. Quédate, que la noche sin ti duelen. Tengo en la mente la pose y todo lo que hicimos. Que ya no quiero nada que no sea contigo. Dale guacha suelta. Vente pa' Canarias sin el equipaje, sin viaje de vuelta. Por la isla te va a dar una vuelta. Bebé, solo avisa. El sábado teteo, el domingo misa. Estoy a ver si me garantiza que te me pegas como quien graba con B-Side. Salir a las amigas del party y ella se quedó mirándonos a los ojos, no al reloj. Y nos fuimos en Uber al apartamento en privado. Me pedía que le diera un concierto. Le dije que por menos de un beso no canto. Y nos fuimos en una, empezamos a la 1. Y con la nota rápido nos dieron las 3. Perreamos toda la noche y nos dormimos a las 10. Ando rezando la Dios para repetir